When I was 8, my father was badly hurt in a car accident. My mother gave up everything to take care of him in hospital day and night. During those hard days, my 73-year-old grandma took on the whole family alone and supported us step by step.
Don't be afraid, Grandma is here.
But one day, Grandma was pushing for manual, fell down again and again in front of me.
Grandma, why didn't we buy chemical fertilizer? Then you wouldn't be so tired.
We need to save money for your dad's surgery.
That scene hurt my heart deeply, and I made a dream. In the future, I will let all farmers use easy and efficient fertilizers. With my childhood dream, I founded Dream Brothers Group when I grew up. Facing two big problems in the fertilizer industry, we worked hard for 4 years, did more than 400 experiments, failed many times, but never give up. One day after rain, I found 5 snails and put them into a beaker, but they died. I felt guilty and blamed myself. I buried them carefully, and a lifeless, weathering palm tree in front of the door. To my surprise, 7 days later, the dead tree came back to life. At that moment, I believed something special in the snails had working the tree up. After more than 20 experiments, we successfully developed its safe substitute. It balances soil acidity and air cleanliness, improves soil environment, and we name it PES. We take PES as the core formula, created granular water-soluble fertilizer. After 1,405 days, officially announcing the birth of granular water-soluble fertilizer. Because the palm tree that came back to life, we named this product Cocoly. Quickly changed the history of water-soluble fertilizers, which used to be only powder or liquid, and created a new category, granular water-soluble fertilizer. Grandma is no longer here, but quickly follows the National Belt and Road Initiative got into the world.